Hi guys. So when we talk about a business school, the first thing that comes to our mind is obviously US or UK because traditionally that's where all the students who wanted to pursue an education in business or management used to go. But now with everything that's happening there, students do not want to take the risk and go and study there. A lot of candidates come to me asking for alternative options which are more affordable and which are less riskier, and that's when Germany comes to my mind. Now Germany has always been popular for tech and engineering focused programs. But a lot of people don't know that Germany also has few very good business schools. And the best part, these business schools are quite affordable as compared to the US or the UK. Also, please understand this, most candidates go to Germany for free or affordable education. But business schools or business education is never free in any part of the world. I can definitely say that German business schools are more affordable as compared to UK, US, and other countries, but they are not free of cost. Now, before we discuss the top business schools in Germany, you might wonder what are the best courses to opt for. So let me share a few popular programs in Germany. Germany is very famous for masters in data analytics, masters in business analytics, masters in management. Some schools are very good for masters in finance, MBA, Masters in Engineering Management, etc. Now, your obvious question is okay, if you do want to pursue business education in Germany, be it a master's or an MBA, what are the top schools you should look into? Now, after a lot of research and considering multiple factors like location, reputation in the job market, etc., we have come with a list of five top business schools in Germany that you should definitely target. Obviously, getting into these business schools is extremely competitive. The applications are pretty tough, but if you do work hard and if you can actually make it there, then it's going to be amazing for you. Just a disclaimer, most of my research comes from my experience of living in Europe, traveling to Germany, visiting these universities, and from my clients who are actually studying at these universities and from all the feedback that they have given me. So, all of this information is real and directly from the source. So let's talk about the most popular business schools in Germany. Now, this list is not as per rankings, and it's actually very difficult to rank these business schools, mainly because each of these business schools are popular for different reasons, and it's very difficult to rank them. But let me share details of each of these, and you can decide which is the best one for you. Okay, so the first business school I would love to talk about is ESMT Berlin. ESMT Berlin is obviously located in Berlin in Germany, which is currently a startup hub in Europe. The most popular programs here include Masters in Global Management, Masters in Analytics, Masters in Innovation and Entrepreneurship, MBA, especially their MBA in Entrepreneurship, is extremely popular. ESMT Berlin is also quite affordable. The approximate tuition fee for Masters is 35,000 euros, while for MBA it's approximately 50,000 euros. Now, why do I particularly like this school is mainly because it is located in Berlin, where the language barriers are not as much as any other smaller town in Germany. Most unique thing about this business school is that it was actually formed by 25 multinational companies like Airbus, Siemens, SAP, Mercedes, etc. This business school has a unique focus towards innovation and entrepreneurship. And if you're someone who's into any of these things, this is a great business school to look into. Next business school on my list is WHU. Now, WHO is one of the oldest business schools in Germany, and it has two campuses, one in Wallender and the other one in Düsseldorf. Best part about this business school, apart from it being extremely reputed in Germany, is that it is extremely famous for combining business and technology. The most popular programs at WHO include Masters in Management, Masters in Finance, Masters in Entrepreneurship, MBA, etc. The approximate tuition fee for a master's program at WHU is about 32,000 euros, while for an MBA, it's about 48,000 euros. One of the most unique things about this business school is that it has partnerships with more than 200 universities across the world. It offers some interesting double degree and exchange program options. Wait, that's not it. Another amazing part about this business school is that it's very strategically located around top German companies. Most of the international students here end up getting an internship or a full time opportunity majorly because of the strategic location. The next on my list, and one of my favorites, is the Mannheim Business School. Now, Mannheim Business School is part of the famous Mannheim Public University in Germany, which is pretty old and prestigious. Even though the business school was established in 2005 and is pretty new, most of the programs are already top ranked in the world. And did you know the best part about this business school? It is actually located in Germany's largest Baroque castle. This is how it looks, and it is stunning. Most popular programs at Mannheim include MBA and Masters in Management. The tuition fee for an MBA is about 45,000 euros, while the tuition fee for a master's in management is just 3,000 euros per year, which is about 3 lakh rupees only. Yes, it is extremely affordable because, like I said, this business school is a part of the Public University of Mannheim. Other unique thing about Mannheim, apart from its reputation, is that this business school also has amazing partnerships and double degree options with universities across the world, be it Denmark, France, Norway, Taiwan, etc. The next school on my list is FSFM, or Frankfurt School of Finance and Management. Since this business school is located in Frankfurt, most of the students who graduate from here get a lot of amazing opportunities. The most popular programs here are Masters in Finance, Masters in Financial Technology, Masters in Management, MBA, etc. The approximate tuition fee for a master's degree is about 35,000 euros, while for an MBA is about 45,000 euros. What I really like about FSFM is its focus on finance and entrepreneurship. Frankfurt is also another growing startup hub in Germany, and I feel this business school is very strategically located. Most students who end up going there get a lot of opportunities for networking and meeting different people. There are a lot of visiting professors from the industry, and overall, the experience of most of my clients has been really good. So, if you're someone who wants to study finance, then obviously FSFM is a great option. But if you want to study something in management, even then FSFM is a good option mainly because of its strategic location. Now, the last one on my list is Technical University of Munich. Now, everyone knows about this popular public university in Germany, but did you know they also have a school of management? This university is located in Munich, which is one of my favorite cities in Germany, mainly because most of the people in Munich can speak in English, and also because this city has a lot of opportunities for international students, be it part time jobs, full time jobs, internships, etc. The most popular programs at this business school are a combination of technology and management. For example, sustainability management and technology, innovation and entrepreneurship, and the ones mentioned on your screen. Now, the best part about this business school is that since it's part of a public university, the tuition fee is quite affordable. On an average, the tuition fee for a semester is about 4,000 euros. That means a 2 year program can cost you about 16,000 euros, which is 16 lakh rupees, which is not a lot for a business school. Now, the most unique thing about this business school is obviously its reputation, not just in Germany, but across the world. It is extremely reputed for its technology programs, and the management school is also very popular because of that. Also, it provides a lot of interdisciplinary programs in technology and management, which I think is very important in today's age. And it is amazing for anyone who wants to, experience a business school along with a tech school. So yeah, these were my top 5 favorite business schools in Germany. A lot of my clients have got into several of these business schools, and from their feedback, I understand that they are doing pretty well out there. Like I keep saying, it's not going to be like a cakewalk. You'll have to put in the hard work, maybe learn the language a little bit if needed, to look for internships, to look for full time opportunities. But as per a pure ROI perspective, it is a great investment to study at a German business school because it is actually very affordable. Alright, I'm Bijal and I run a study abroad boutique called Edu Abroad. I help candidates get into the world's best universities. So if you're someone who wants to study in Germany, France, or any other country across the world at a top university, feel free to reach out to my team on this WhatsApp number, or you can directly schedule a call with me. If this video was helpful for you and if you want more such content directly from the source, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video.